Hello, so if you're watching this video, you've more than likely passed through your first day of training, the Apex pre-training and orientation, and now you're getting prepared for day 2 of training, which is Seedbed 1 and Seedbed 2. So your trainer probably went over what you need to prepare for tomorrow, but sometimes it can be a little bit confusing, especially accessing the website and taking detailed notes. So that's what I want to run through quickly with you now. So the first thing you would do is log on to our website, which is apexteachers.com. Now you would have had this password ahead of time from our team, and hopefully you've already watched a pre-training course. So you'll log in here. Now my details are already saved here, which is handy. I log on and then I reach the home page here. So I want to go to my courses, and we're in the training department here, course overview. Okay, so once I'm on the training department courses, I'm on the initial training tab, and then depending on which course you've started for part 1. So if you are a teacher in the North, you would have started initial training and North part 1, and that's what you would select. If you're a teacher in the South, you would have selected initial training South. And if you're a part-time teacher, you would have selected the part-time training course. Okay, so then you simply select whichever course you've previously started. So the pre-training should already have been completed before the first day of training, and now we're moving on to day 2, Seedbed 1 and Seedbed 2. So I'll select here. And this is where you're watching this video now. So I can see my videos are here, and I'll log on. So I can see all my videos are here, so I want to select those and begin watching. Now, in terms of taking notes, if I just jump in here on Atelier A, for example, where mainly the methodology steps will begin, I will play the video. And now you can see the methodology steps are here at the bottom of the page. Again, at this stage, you probably know you can't skip ahead in this video until you've watched the full video and marked it as complete. So these are the steps that you want to write down on your training binder. So you've probably received the training binder now, and you can open it on the correct page that aligns up with the video. And then you write down your 4 or 5 steps here. And what I like to do then is number these steps around the page here, so I can have a quick reference. Then tomorrow at your training, you're going to use this training booklet to teach the pages. So step 1, introduce the target letter and sound and the goal for the page. So I would write that down here and maybe number step 1, draw a line here to the target letter, and so on and so forth as I go through all the videos. Here we can see our second step, third and fourth steps, so on and so forth. So yes, this is time consuming, but it's all about the repetitions. So you're exposed to these methodology steps, and then you come and practice them tomorrow with your trainer, simulate them, and then again on Friday you'll have your final simulation test, which you'll stand up, hopefully relying a lot less on the notes at that stage, and the steps will be in your head, and then you can start teaching then on the weekend. So if I switch to my smartboard here, you do not have access to the smartboard from at home, but this is what you'll be using to teach once you get to your center. And then you'll use those materials to reference, and you'll teach these pages as you go through, making sure to complete all of the methodology steps. So it would have been mentioned in your training quite a few times that these steps are very important during the training week. If teachers don't come to training prepared, or they don't have an understanding of the steps, then they cannot pass the training week. Okay, so I hope this introduction video has cleared up any confusion you may have about what you need to prepare for tomorrow.